I would characterize the piece as a living sculpture. It took 9 months to create, as much as a baby. It was the first prototype made in our garage workshop in Athens. Looked more like a crazy human meat grinder. Many at the time, before its fabrication, thought it was completely nuts. But where in Athens I found the response of fabricators and engineers that said, well, I don't think it's going to work, but I'll try it. And that in itself was all I needed to make it happen. Through that journey, where I invite the visitors to discover this behavior of this waters forming from something static to a dynamic physical megaphone of a movement, to go through an emotional journey, a journey of disobedience which goes from frustration or curiosity to excitement, the adrenaline of disobeying, to discovery and wonder.